Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kash. So today I have a thrift haul for you guys. I am going to show you guys everything that I got from the thrift store. Sorry mom in advance. She would literally wring my neck if she even knew that I bought things from this thrift store. So just don't tell her. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got, and I'm going to show you how I cropped them. I was getting very lazy with this video, I won't lie, so I did not really style them. I'll do another video on styling them and stuff if you want to see. But the theme for this was pretty much like a 90s look, because I want to do a 90s theme on my channel. Not like forever, but like maybe like a week. I post like for a week straight. Alright, so let's just get right into the haul. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, share this with your friends. You know what when I got there, the plan for me was to find some 90s themed outfits, things that just remind me of like the 90s or whatever. So before I could even do this haul for you guys, I literally had to wash these clothes twice in ammonia, Pine Sol. Trust me, I don't play. They smell pretty clean, so we're gonna pray over them and that's it. Alright, so I just love those like a quarter neck. I just love those styles, so I have like a few of those styles coming up. I have this, and it was super long. It was like down to my knees, and I just cropped it, and it's cute. My whole total for everything that I got was $38. Also, the highest price thing I believe was like $4.99. So the next thing that I got is this Polo Ralph Lauren zip thing. You know I love those things. This is why I got this. To be honest, I didn't know it was Polo when I got it. I kind of just got it because it had the zip thing. But then yeah, there's a little polo in here, even though it's like very faded, which is so annoying. It's like that's the back and this is the whole horse. You can't even see, but it's okay. It doesn't on the side. Nobody's really gonna see that polo. But I really didn't even care about the fact that it was polo. It's just because it was a zip down. This is super cute. Also got it in the men's section. I usually don't even check for sizes or anything when I'm thrifting. I just pick things up that look cute that I feel like I could one crop, two fit to my size, or I usually like it a little bit baggy. So I also got this polo shirt. When I tell you I literally spent no more than like $2-3 on these items, I literally did it. And then I cropped this because why not crop it? I'm probably gonna wear this tomorrow, low key. And the next thing I got is this really cute shirt. I got it from the men's section still, but it's like pretty tight. It feels like it's like a little boy. No, I got it from the boys section. I think this was 99 cents. That's why I picked it up. But it's pretty cute. Where is it from? Vintage Oh, Faded Glory from Walmart. Shout out to Walmart. Up, I only got it because it was a zip, and then I realized it was Champion, and I'm like, 2 for 2, why not? You know what I mean? So yeah, that's that one. That's that one. Okay, so another 90s theme, turtlenecks. I really wanted to find a striped turtleneck, but I didn't find a striped turtleneck, so that's why I had that striped shirt. I got like 5 turtlenecks, all from the women's section. I didn't try all of them on because they're turtlenecks, and like, come on, we all know what turtlenecks look like. And I'm gonna be doing lookbooks and stuff with these items, so you will see them. Yeah. A navy blue and a baby blue and a yellow. I did try this one. Throwing dirt on my own. Got a red, because you can never have too many turtlenecks. And then last but not least, I got a gray, because you have to have like a neutral color. I know they all fame. Everything Mississippi to the Palm Springs. This is an Under Armour. The only reason why I got this is because of this bear paw. I don't know, it kind of stood out to me, and I just felt like it looked kind of cute, and I feel like I could accessorize, you know, like with a cute necklaces and stuff. So that's pretty much everything for the haul. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I hope you like them. I hope my presence does wonders for you, and I hope you like all my videos. I hope you hit that subscribe button, damn, I'm just hoping for a lot. I'm a wish it, want it, do it kind of nigga. I don't know what I'm saying. So that's that. I love you guys. Hit that subscribe button like I said so many times. Hit that like button. Comment down below what videos you want to see. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, don't tell my mom.